Sarah, I just pulled up this morphine for bed 5, but they're rounding on my patient. Please give it for me, please. What is it? Morphine. I pulled it up, I scanned it, everything. It's ready to go. Just push it in bed 5 for me. Okay. You're the best.
Hi, my name is Elise, and today I'm going to take a few minutes to talk with you about academic integrity, which is taught in the Nursing 300 course titled Transition into Baccalaureate Nursing in the University of Mount Olive RN to BSN program. This video is an assignment for my Master's of Science in Nursing degree program at the University of Mount Olive. It was not long ago that I sat where you are in the exact program, so it's exciting to think where this BSN will bring you. I have one goal for you today. You should feel comfortable demonstrating an understanding of the behaviors that reflect academic integrity as you move forward in this program. Let's not become that nurse from the starting video clip.
The objectives that will get you there include acknowledging the importance of academic integrity, defining behaviors that reflect academic integrity, understanding the University of Mount Olive's academic integrity policy, and recognizing the consequences of violating academic integrity.
Okay, number 1. Why do we care about academic integrity? Many of you are being asked by your employers to return for your BSN. You may or may not even be getting a raise for completing this program. So why not just make it easy? Well, let's examine what Merriam-Webster has to say about it.
Dishonesty, lack of integrity, disposition to defraud or deceive.
Yeah, that sounds bad. Americans have deemed nurses to be the most honest and ethical professionals in the country for the 20th straight year, according to a new Gallup poll. Education is the key element to combating corruption through the development of a moral compass. The International Center for Academic Integrity asserts that academic integrity is fundamental in education and is the foundation in preparing students to be successful, both personally and professionally. So how can we, in good conscience, take the gift of education and turn it into an opportunity to cultivate dishonesty? Number 2. Now you're saying, okay, awesome, Elise, I don't want to be dishonest. So what does this academic integrity look like?
Well, integrity is defined as having good moral character, upholding moral and ethical codes, and maintaining honesty. Cheating and plagiarism become our main offenders.
But let's break this down further. Taking photos of test answers and sharing them with others, not taking the time to cite when you are paraphrasing other authors, turning in papers that others have wrote or sharing your papers, having others take online exams for you, and lying to get more time on an assignment are all academically dishonest situations. Number 3.
Wow, Elise. I don't want to be a part of that. What are UMO's policies so I can do my best to follow them?
You can follow this link or find the UMO Academic Integrity Policy by reviewing the 2021-2022 Adult Course Catalog.
UMO defines cheating as the performance of any dishonest and/or deceptive act by which a student gives or receives information illicitly with the intent to deceive an instructor in the evaluation of the student's work, or represents the labor or knowledge of another as his or her own. Plagiarism is defined by UMO as the intentional, unattributed theft of others' words, ideas, or work. Number 4.
Gosh, what would happen to a student for violating the academic integrity policy?
Well, the instructor would contact the student and the Vice President of Academic Affairs. The student would then get a tentative grade of F for that course. A committee will then review the case and either reinstate the prior grade or leave the F. The student does have a right to appeal the decision.
So let us not also forget the opening video. A correlation has been found between academic dishonesty and future poor professional behavior that could impact patients and the perceptions of nurses as a whole. So in summary, academic integrity, good. Cheating and plagiarism, bad. I hope this brief lecture regarding the importance of upholding academic integrity makes it clear why we strive for honesty at the University of Mount Olive and all the work we do as nurses. Thank you for your time and attention today. Please complete the short survey provided through the Nursing Student Center and email it to my professor, Dr. Joy Kiefer, at the provided email address within the next 3 days.